Hey everyone, welcome back to the Veti Rider. Hope you lovely people are doing great out there.
So you guys know that we are doing an India trip on a motorcycle.
Right now, we are in Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world.
This is the route which we have taken to travel.
From Bangalore, it was Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Agra, Amritsar, Himachal, and now it is Uttarakhand. We have explored many places which was there in our bucket list. Lot many things are there to share with you all, but right now we're gonna explore the Chapora Fort of Goa. This is one of the most beautiful forts of Goa. We just went there to spend the evening for a beautiful sunset. So there we go. You can reach here by local transport or hire scooter from Mapsa or Panjim. Since it's a well-known fort, it's completely commercialized. You have proper steps making it easier to reach the fort, and throughout your way you can shop all these artifacts. Just a piece of advice that if you're visiting this place, then visit before 11 am or after 4 pm to avoid the scorching sun, as there is no shade at all. Well, an interesting fact is that the fort is also called as the Dil Chahta Hai Fort after the scenes of the famous movie was shot here. The fort has a view from all the sides of its walls, making it an important fort for the conquerors as it offered a clearer view of the north. Thereby, the history of this place becomes simple that it changed hands multiple times. It was built by the ruler Adil Shah, and then Portuguese conquered it, and then Maratha and Akbar empires came together to make the Portuguese leave the land. And now the place is a host for thousands of tourists every year. No wonder there were fights for this place, cause just look how spectacular it is. This place certainly calls for a thought for the day. Nature is not only all that is visible to the eye, it also includes the inner peace of the soul. And that's not it. There's this Chapora jetty one can visit. Usually, you would find Goans fishing, and that's one of their favorite hobbies. And we visited this jetty because the sunset looks beautiful from this place. Relaxing at a place facing the sea, a mountain, and the city is how we spent this evening in Goa. Do let us know how you would like to spend your evenings. With that, we will see you guys on our next video.
Please don't forget to subscribe to the Veti Rider channel. There are a lot of adventure videos coming on the way.
Until then, you guys take care.